and welcome back to another lesson with me, Sophie. Now we're going to ask, what are we learning today? Today, we are going to learn a brand new letter. Now, this letter is the letter J. And the letter J makes a sound like this. J. J. Can you say it? J. Very good. Now, do you know something that begins with J? Yes, jelly begins with J. So our action for this sound is like this. Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate. Can you do that? Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate. Well done, wibbly wobbly jelly. Now let's read some words together that contain this sound. Jet, jam, jab. Well done! Now also for our lesson today, we're going to learn a tricky word. This word says the. Now the is quite a tricky word to spell, but luckily I've got a little rhyme. It goes like this. T-H-E, T-H-E, T-H-E spells the. Can you do it with me? T-H-E, T-H-E, T-H-E spells the. Well done. Now it's time to read some words. I'm going to slowly show you 3 words, and I want you to see if you can read each one. If you need more time, you can pause the video. Here they are. Ready? Did you have a try at reading these words? Well done! Let's read them together by pointing at the red dots and dashes. Are you ready? Ready? J, a, g, jug, j, a, jam, j, o, g, jog. Wow, you read those words so well. Well done! This time, let's go through them without sounding out. Ready? Jug, jam, jog. Fantastic reading, everyone. Now it's time to spell a word. I'm going to tell you a word, and you're going to pause the video and have a go at writing it yourself. Then we will check to see if you got it right. Are you ready? The first word we're going to write is jab, like when you get an injection or a shot. Are you ready? Sound it out with me. J-A-B, jab. Now pause the video and have a go at spelling the word. Let's see if you got it right. Wow, well done! Did you spell the word correctly? Let's see if you can do another one. The next word we're going to write is jog. Ready to sound it out? J-O-G, jog. Now pause the video and have a go at spelling the word. Let's see if you got it right. Did you get it right? Well done. Good spelling. Now it's time for the secret sentence. I'm going to show you a sentence that has a word in it with today's sound. You need to pause the video and read the whole sentence. Then you're going to put your thumbs up if the sentence is true, or you're going to put your thumbs down if the sentence is false. Pause the screen when you see the sentence. Are you ready? Ready? Wow, good reading. Now is the sentence true or false? That's right, this sentence is true. We can all jog, can't we? I love to go for a jog, do you? I bet you go really fast. Let's read the whole sentence together. Ready? I can jog. What a superstar you are. Well done. Now it's time for you to write a sentence. I'm going to tell you a sentence that has a word in it with today's sound. Then you are going to pause the video and write the sentence. Then we'll check if you got it right. Are you ready? Okay, so this sentence has today's tricky word in it, the. And the sentence is, the jug is red. Can you tap it into your heads with me? The jug is red. Now pause the video and have a go at writing the sentence yourself. Does your sentence match mine? Good try and fantastic writing. Well done. Now we've come to the end of our lesson and I'm so impressed with how well you've worked today. Now if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new content. I can't wait to see you next time.